So I just wanted to talk to you a bit about needles. Having gone through this with you, I'd forgotten that different sets of needles will come in different numbers and you have a difference in length. So these are the ones that I used to use. As you can see, this is one of the ones that's got really bent out of shape. But if you notice the difference in length, so you've got one that's 2, 4, 6 inches long, and these are nearly 8 inches long, and I think if it was straight it'd be 8 inches long. Now that extra length makes a big difference in the way that it feels when you're knitting. With these shorter ones it's easier just to knit straight from one, turn, knit onto the other one. With these longer needles you're having to slide your work along to get to the next row. I find that means that I very often used to pull the wrong needle out of my hand and pull all the stitches off, but it also means that you've got longer ends that tend to get tied up with each other. So if you're having a problem and finding it difficult to manage your needles, it may well be worth investing in some needles that are shorter